In this video, let's dive into 5 ways you can earn Robux on Roblox without getting stuck. First up, the easiest way is buying Robux directly in the app or on the website. It's a simple purchase and you'll see the Robux instantly appear in your balance. Next, you can join Roblox Premium. With Premium, you can get a monthly allowance of Robux plus the ability to sell items and earn more that way. It's a good deal if you're planning to be active on the platform. For the third way, try creating and selling items like clothes or accessories. If you're into design, this is a fun way to earn Robux by making your own stuff and putting it on the market for other players to buy. Another great method is making and selling game passes. If you build a game on Roblox, you can offer players special perks or boosts for a one-time purchase of Robux. Last but not least, join groups and participate in giveaways or contests. Some Roblox groups host competitions or give away free Robux to active members. It's a cool way to snag some extra currency. So there you go, 5 legit ways to earn Robux. Have fun and see how much you can rack up.